Hey guys, welcome back. We got a neat little repair for you here today. This is a Raypak pool heater, and during the last freeze it had a little crack in the manifold or the header, and this, when it got 13 degrees, it was just too much. So it turned into a big leak, and so we're going to go ahead and fix that right quick. It's finally warmed up enough where we can get back at it, and didn't expect to have to chip all this ice off, but you know, you just do what you got to do. So we'll get that off, then I'll use the impact to pull all the nuts off and release this. You can use a ratchet socket set, but if these things are seized up, and they often are, they'll break off. So the impact knocks them loose really good. So we'll clean this up real quick, start putting it back together. First thing we'll do is put the freeze plug in with the O-ring, and then we'll work on the gasket. Now I do like to use a little magic lube on this. This bottle actually came out of one of the chlorinators that we'd installed. Nice little pocket size one to keep with you. Put the gasket in the groove. If you don't use the magic lube, it does not want to stay in there. So that's just a little tip to help you out. Then we'll put her back together. Now you notice I am using the impact here, but that is just to kind of get things started. I will tighten it up by hand afterwards to make sure that it's even all the way around. And you do this kind of like you would a tire. Just go back and forth from one side to the other. Don't try to tighten it like all the way around. And then we'll put her back together. Kind of a little booger here, but we got it. Knock that out right quick. Couple more screws. That's a wrap. I hope this video helped you out. If so, hit that like and subscribe button, and we'll see you in the next one.
All right, guys, that's a wrap. We're off to the next one.